everybody, it's me, Stacey, here at Sizzix. Hello! Welcome to 2025. Well, actually 2025 has already started, hasn't it? And we have already had so many amazing designers launch their collections, and I am positive, I just know in my heart that your makes are just simply beautiful with all the product coming your way. But what do I have for you today? Well, today it's all about me, Stacey Park, and my first collection for 2025 from Sizzix. I tell you, Sizzix has loaded the 2025 train filled with beautiful things, new innovation, new ideas, new creativity, and really that's what Sizzix is known for. They're known for bringing the newness, the freshness, the ideas that are going to make you go, oh, I see what you did there, Sizzix. And that's what I have for you today. Now, this collection, it's done in a way that we had to do it in two parts. Yes, this is part one of my collection because we had so many ideas and so many thoughts and so many ways to help you be creative in what it is you do, whether it's card making or scrapbooking or mixed media or junk journals. We had so many thoughts that we couldn't contain ourselves. Well, let's be clear. They couldn't contain me. Try to put Stacey in a box? Oh no. So the first thing I want to show you is a new product that nobody has. Nobody. It is Sizzix owned. It is Sizzix thought out. It is Sizzix developed. And it's all for you. If you have 3D embossing folders, wait. Sizzix 3D embossing folders, wait for what's coming. It is called a Dimensional Diffuser, and I will be doing a video just on the Dimensional Diffuser to show you the what-fors, the how-tos, the whys and the wheres. But I want to give you a little bit of a sneak peek. Are you ready? Oh, it is amazing. It takes those 3D embossing folders from Sizzix, the ones that you have and the ones that are launching, and it makes them new all over again. And you're thinking to yourself, well, what is it? It is a tool that is going to go through that big shop machine of yours. But it's a tool that has options. I have different shapes, there's different sizes, and there's different product that's going to coordinate with the Dimensional Diffuser. So I think that's where I'm going to start today. I'm going to talk about some of the other product that's going to work with the Dimensional Diffuser, because when I do that video, you're going to see all that product being used with this new, exciting, revolutionary tool from Sizzix. But like I said, that is what they're known for, isn't it? That's what we're known for. So the first thing I want to show you is something called a Creative Coordinations. It is a brand new type of set from Sizzix that was developed not just to work with the Dimensional Diffuser, but it's everything you need in one package. Let me tell you a little bit more about it. So a first from Sizzix and me, Stacey, is a brand new product called Creative Coordinations. What is it? It's everything you need in one package, ready to go. It is your background stamp, ready to stamp. It is sentiments, multiple sentiments to fill in. It is a die that allows you to cut a framelit, an element. Now, why do you need Creative Coordinations? Well, because they're amazing all on their own, but they also work with that Dimensional Diffuser. That die fits right into the Dimensional Diffuser on your embossing folder, and I'm going to show you all about that. But here, look at how beautiful the sample is, all by itself. Ready to go. You go home and you make this because it's all in the package. It's creative, and we've done the coordinating for you. Easy peasy. Grab your inks, grab your paper, and let's start making a make. Now I have 4 of these, and each of them are a little bit different. I've got a beautiful mountain scene, whether it be a sunrise or a sunset, and it has the same fabulous sentiments ready to go and 1 framelit so you can cut those sentiments out. But that framelit is gonna fit in my dimensional diffusers, so when you see that void, when I show you that video, you're gonna be like, oh, I get where she was going with this. But of course I want it to be a standalone product all by itself. And look at how beautiful is this. The stamps, the dies, the sentiment, all in one happy little package that you pick right up off the retailers, pick it right up, and you go home and you start your make. So with the 4, I tried to do a little bit of something for everybody. Look at how beautiful the floral is. It is an all-over background pattern, like the other 2 I already showed you. And then it has a host of sentiments to work with it, and a beautiful oval die. And it really is so elegant. So elegant. And again, wait till you see it with the Dimensional Diffuser. My last creative coordinations, it's called Live Wire, and I love it. I love the movement of it. I love that it can be, whether it's vertical, it can go horizontal. I love the frame that comes with it. It's a diamond frame, the sentiments, and I just think it's fun. I think that it's a little whimsical, and it gives you the opportunity to put a little sass in your makes. So, 4 new creative coordinations. All of them ready to go. Everything comes in the package for you to start. Let's get creative. And then when you see it again with that dimensional diffuser, it is a wow moment. Now, embossing folders are going to be important because that diffuser, that's what we're going to diffuse. Embossing folders. So I came up with 3 3D embossing folders and coordinating stencils. Because again, sometimes you feel like diffusing and sometimes you don't. So I want you to have the opportunity to do it all. Today you just want to emboss. Tomorrow you just want to stencil. The next day you want to emboss and stencil and diffuse. You want to do it all. Who doesn't want to have a product that gives them more, that gives them the growth? So I came out with 3 embossing folders, 3 3D embossing folders with coordinating 4-layer stencils. It has my trademark geometric going on, but there's this floral element to it. It's fun and it's whimsy, but it also can be so sweet and soft and elegant. And the 4-layer stencil, it makes my heart go pitter-patter. Truly it does. It's not just great for Easter and spring and summer. When this is done for holiday, in beautiful golds and silvers and reds and greens, oh, it is magic in the making. And when you pair them together, well, you've got the best of everything. And of course they're meant to be used with the diffuser, absolutely. Look at this sample of just the stencil. It's fun, and I can only imagine that a tween would absolutely love this card. I would love this card. It makes you smile. It's happy. And here, the embossing folder. Do you see what I see? I see a little bit of a diffuser going on right here. You want to know what the diffuser does? Here's a little bit of a sneak peek. So that's one of my embossing folders and stencils. The next embossing folder I have for you, well, it is a type of embossing folder because it really just grabs your attention, it takes your breath away, and paired with the 4-layer stencil, it has to be one of my most favorite designs I've ever done. I love the embossing folder. It has this high-low dimension to it, this beautiful all-over background. And when you pair it with the reveals or with opulent paper, it is just sublime. And look, do you see a little bit of a diffuser going on right there? That's a flat surface that we're going to show you how to make on all your Sizzix 3D embossing folders. But then there's the 4-layer stencil. And it in itself is something of beauty. So pretty, so elegant. And the colors can be anything from a happy anniversary to doing this on the backgrounds of your art journals or your mixed media or your layouts. It's not just about card making, and with these 4-layer stencils, you will see how you can take them into all the elements of creativity, all your makes that you're doing, whether it be today it's a layout and tomorrow it's a card and the next day you're putting in some mixed media time and getting a little fun with some paint. These stencils are going to work beautifully with all of it. And again, with a diffuser, it's going to be amazing. The last 3D embossing folder I have for you is kind of a floral with a little bit of a grunge element to it. It's got a beautiful all-over pattern with some tattered lines where my flowers sit right on top. And then the stencil. So you emboss, you stencil, or you emboss and you stencil together. Embossing and stenciling, it amplifies everything when you pair them together. People look at it and they're like, how did you do this? Don't tell them. Let them think that you slaved over it and you went in there and you hand painted and detailed out each flower perfectly just for them. I'll keep your secret that it was this perfect 4-layer stencil coordinated with the embossing folder. And again, meant to go with a diffuser. Beautiful diffused area, complete flat surface. And this is part of the creative coordination sitting right in the middle. It is all going to work together. You're going to have the opportunity to have the whole system because it is an ongoing product for Sizzix. It's so new and so revolutionary that, gosh, what I know is coming is really just going to knock your socks off. This is the first of many products that are going to be built around the Dimensional Diffuser, but not dependent on the Dimensional Diffuser. Isn't that nice to know that when you buy something from Sizzix, it's got all of it in there for you. It does this and it'll do that and a little bit over here. We at Sizzix really want you to feel that we see you and we see your creativity and we want to be part of it. So I am Stacey and I'm a licensed designer for Sizzix, and this is 2025 and we are starting out with a bang. Stay tuned for that video on the Dimensional Diffuser. You will not want to miss it. Bye, everybody.